Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to share how to contact Facebook support for account, ads, and business inquiries. This is the current full updated guide. Whether you are having trouble logging into your account, dealing with ad payment issues, or managing your Facebook page or business manager, this guide will help you find the right way to reach real human support and resolve your issues faster. When it comes to account issues, the first step is to just visit facebook.com/hacked if you believe your account has been compromised. Facebook provides guided recovery steps to secure your account. If you can't log in because you forgot your password or no longer have access to your email, go to facebook.com/login/identify and follow the on-screen instructions. For general login or profile problems, the Facebook Help Center is your go-to resource. Scroll down and click Report a Problem to explain your issue in detail, including screenshots, device type, and browser detail can help Facebook resolve your case more efficiently. For ads-related problems, the best place to get help is the Meta Business Help Center. Once there, click on Contact Support. This option appears only for users who run active ad accounts. Choose the issue category such as ad not delivering, payment declined, or ad disapproved. You'll then see options to either chat with a representative or email support. Facebook typically responds within 24 hours. Before reaching out, it's wise to check your ad manager and account quality section for any policy violations or billing alerts that might explain the issue. If you are managing a Facebook page or business manager, head over to business.facebook.com/help. Scroll to the bottom and click on Need More Help, followed by Contact Support. You can describe your problem, and depending on your account type, you'll be able to use live chat or email. To make your experience smoother, always use your official business email for communication and be concise but clear when describing your issue. Attach screenshots and reference relevant IDs like your page ID or ad account ID to help the support team understand the problem quickly. Before reaching out, it's also smart to check status.meta.com to see if Facebook is experiencing any technical issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.